Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Patty. I am about to make a vegetable beef soup. I have my medley of veggies, which include peas, green beans, corn, and carrots. And I am using 1 can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, rotel, mild, and a can of diced tomatoes, about half V8 juice, 2 containers of beef broth. I will start with that. And I have my potatoes here and some seasonings, as you can see here, the seasonings that I'll be using. And the meat I will season with some of these, and 1 onion. And this is the meat, which I will wash and soak. And I have some celery, green onion, green pepper that I have washed. It was in the freezer. And I have this. It was frozen and I washed this as well. And my potatoes here I will dice or chunk up for the soup. And I will get right to it and pause right here. Guys, I have soaked my meat in vinegar water and I've cut away a lot of the fat off the bones, and these are the bones that I'm getting ready to brown a little. And as you can see, I've put the different seasonings on them. Let's see that. And of course, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, a little bit of Creole seasoning. And here they are. And I got a little flour. I'm going to lightly flour them. And I'll mix that all on there. And then I have my skillet here with some olive oil in it. So I have put the olive oil in the skillet, just a little bit, probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And I'm about to get right to it. As you can see, I've already floured the beef bones. And I have some browning in the iron skillet right now. So once I get them all browned up, I will come back and show you what I will do next. I pulled out my Magnolite roaster because it is larger, and this is what I am going to cook the soup in. And as you see, I have browned all of the soup bones, and I still have the skillet. And look at all this goodness in the skillet. I'm going to put it in there, put onion and the celery, bell pepper. I'm going to saute this, and I have added a bit more of the olive oil as needed, a tablespoon at a time. So once I get this all sauteed, just the onions broken down a little so they will become translucent, then I will pour this goodness, all of this goodness in this skillet into this pot, and then I will put it on the stove top and let it cook, let it on medium high to start with, and let the meat cook for about 40-45 minutes before I start to add everything else. But I will put in these seasonings here, and I will come back. This is just the beginning of the soup. I added a little dried parsley, a little dried thyme leaves, just a tad bit of seasoning, and some basil leaves. And I'm going to let it start to boil with the meat in it. And when I come back, I will be adding the other ingredients. And I did add a little more garlic powder and onion powder.